Hello students, how are you? Very good. This is my fourth video for class 12. In this video, we are going to tell about the differentiation of inverse trigonometrical functions and very typical questions, complicated question. Because in previous video I told some example based on inverse trigonometrical function, but in this video I also going to tell. Then now you see here, if under root 1 plus x upon 1 minus x, then here let x is equal to cos theta or x is equal to cos 2 theta you can take. Second one, if under root 1 minus x square, then let x is equal to sin theta or x is equal to cos of theta. Clear? If under root 1 plus x square, then let x is equal to tan theta or x is equal to cot theta. And if under root x square minus 1, then let x is equal to sec theta or x is equal to cosec theta. Here, why? Because when we will put x is equal to cos theta or cos 2 theta or x is equal to sin theta or cos theta, in this case x is equal to tan theta or cot theta, and last one, in this case x is equal to sec theta or cosec theta, then after simplify, the root will cancel. Example, suppose here in the place of x is equal to tan theta, under root 1 plus tan square theta is equal to what? Sec square theta, and root sec square theta is equal to what? Sec theta. For simplification, we are putting the value x is equal to this, and last one also here. Then now going to give example, one example, and suppose example number 1 here, y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Differentiate given function with respect to x. Means find dy by dx. Clear? If we will put direct formula, direct means tan inverse x is equal to 1 upon 1 plus x square, then answer will come. But it is not clearly you are able to do calculations completely. Then that's why if we have formula, we have option, then we can use the formula, and it is also here. Now here 1 minus x upon 1 plus x or 1 plus x upon 1 minus x. Any conditions. There is given under root 1 plus x by 1 minus x. Here under root 1 minus x upon 1 plus x. Both the symbol are different. Either here minus or plus. Then here plus or minus. Now let x is equal to what? Here cos of 2 theta. Clear? Either cos theta also we can suppose here. Then here in the place of x we can put cos 2 theta in given function. Therefore y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos of 2 theta. Are you understanding? Very good. Y is equal to tan inverse. Now going to use the formula 1 minus cos 2 theta. Cos 2 theta means we have formula this one. Cos 2 theta is equal to 2 cos square theta minus 1 and 1 minus 2 sin square theta. Then here 1 minus. Now here in numerator put 1 minus 2 sin square theta, 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole upon 1 plus cos 2 theta means 2 cos square theta minus 1. I mean we have to cancel up this first one. Here when we open the bracket, y is equal to tan inverse under root, open the bracket, 1 minus 1 plus 2 sin square theta whole upon 1 plus 2 cos square theta minus 1. This plus 1 cancelled by this minus 1, this also cancelled by this minus 1, and 2 cancelled by this 2. After that tan inverse under root sin square theta by cos square theta. Then y is equal to here tan inverse under root sin square theta by cos square theta means we can write here tan square theta. Tan square theta means we can write here tan theta. Clear? Now we have properties of inverse trigonometrical function tan inverse into tan inverse of tan theta is equal to what? Theta here. Then here y is equal to theta. At last means after simplification, after simplify, at last we can we can put the value of theta in the terms of x. Then here, if x is equal to cos 2 theta, then 2 theta is equal to what? Cos inverse x. It means cos inverse x is equal to 2 theta. And what is value of theta? Theta means 1 upon 2 cos inverse x is equal to theta. Understood? If x is equal to cos 2 theta, cos transfer here, this is cos inverse x is equal to 2 theta, theta is equal to half of the cos inverse x. In the place of theta, now going to put here y is equal to 1 by 2 and here cos inverse x. After that, going to differentiate both sides with respect to x. Then here d by dx of y is equal to d by dx of 1 by 2 and here cos inverse x. 1 by 2 constant, leaving constant. 1 by 2 d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to what? Now differentiation of cos inverse x is equal to minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. It means 1 by 2 into minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Then dy by dx is equal to minus 1 upon 2 under root 1 minus x square. Now this is a value of this function. Then simple way you can check here 1, 2, 3, 4 forms are there, and remaining we have formula because previous video I have given tan a plus b sin 3 theta sin 2 theta cos 3 theta. So many formula here I am giving other example also. Then please use here carefully. Second example here. If y is equal to sin inverse in bracket 2x into under root 1 minus x square, then find dy dx. Please first up you see question very carefully here. 2x into under root 1 minus x square. 1 minus x square. Just I told, if under root 1 minus x square is there, which value we can suppose? X is equal to sin theta or cos theta, correct? Then here let x is equal to, suppose going to tell here cos theta or sin theta, depend on you, any one value we can take. Now here y is equal to sin inverse and 2 cos theta under root 1 minus cos square theta. Clear? Y is equal to sin inverse 2 into cos theta 1 minus cos square theta is equal to what? Sin square theta. Under root sin square theta means sin theta. Now we have also formula 2 sin theta cos theta is equal to what? Sin 2 theta. Now sin inverse sin of 2 theta is equal to 2 theta, y is equal to 2 theta. At last we can put the value of theta in the terms of x. Then here theta is equal to what? Cos inverse x. Now write here y is equal to 2 into cos inverse x. Now dy by dx is equal to 2 into d by dx of cos inverse x is equal to 2 into minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Therefore dy by dx is equal to minus 2 upon under root 1 minus x square. Now this is a answer. Clear? Once more here. You see inside the bracket if under root 1 minus x square, we can suppose x is equal to cos theta or sin theta. Here taking cos theta, theta is equal to cos inverse x. Now we will put after that 2 sin theta cos theta. This is a sin 2 theta and sin inverse sin 2 theta means 2 theta here. Then the value of theta in the terms of x cos inverse x. At last, what is differentiation of cos inverse x means minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. Then, therefore, dear x is equal to minus 2 upon under root 1 minus x square. It means maximum quotient dependent on formula. Please, so many times I am telling, learn formula and do practice formula. Otherwise, so many questions not able to decide, not able to do in which formula we can apply. Then now going to tell next example. See this example, 4x cube minus 3x. In this question, let x is equal to cos theta. Why? Because we have formula cos 3 theta is equal to 4 cos cube minus 3 cos x. Means 4 cos theta minus 3 cos theta here. Now y is equal to cos inverse. Here 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos of theta. Now this is formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta is equal to cos 3 theta. And here y is equal to cos inverse. And here cos of 3 theta. Cos inverse cos 3 theta means only theta. Means 3 theta here. Y is equal to 3. What is value of theta in the terms of x? Here theta is equal to cos inverse x. Then cos inverse x. Now dy by dx is equal to constant is living constant. D by dx of cos inverse x is equal to means dy by dx is equal to 3 into minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square minus 3 upon under root 1 minus x square. Understood? Very simple question. Only we suppose after that you put the value, then it will cancel. 3 theta will come here. Value of theta in terms of x. Now put the differentiation of cos inverse x, then answer will come. And example number 4. Example 4 means if y is equal to tan inverse under root a minus x upon a plus x. Clear? Now here, if any constant number is there, suppose here a minus x, this is not 1 minus x, a minus x, then here let x is equal to a cos of 2 theta. Clear? If here, suppose here 1, then same questions I told 1 minus x is only x is equal to cos 2 theta or cos theta, but here any other constant number is there, a under root 2, 3, 4, 5, any numbers there, then x is equal to constant numbers with cos 2 theta, cos theta. Then here taken x is equal to a cos 2 theta, then here x by a is equal to what? Cos 2 theta, and cos inverse x by a is equal to what? 2 theta. Clear? Now here y is equal to tan inverse under root a minus x is equal to a cos 2 theta upon here a plus a cos 2 theta. Then y is equal to from numerator and denominator in both a is common. Then it will cancel. Y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 minus cos 2 theta upon 1 plus cos 2 theta is equal to tan inverse. Now going to put the formula, write the formula. 1 minus in bracket cos 2 theta is equal to 1 minus 2 sin square theta whole upon 1 plus here 2 cos square theta minus 1. Then when we will open the bracket, this one cancel by cancel means tan inverse under root 1 minus 1 plus 2 and sin square theta upon 1 plus 2 cos square theta minus 1 cancel. This is also cancel, 2 cancel by this 2. At last we will get tan inverse under root sin by cos means tan square theta. Tan square means only write down tan theta is equal to only theta will come. Then here after this we can write y is equal to tan y is equal to theta only. Now after this y is equal to theta, clear? Now going to put the value of theta in the terms of x, then y is equal to theta is equal to what? Here 2 theta, then theta is equal to 1 upon 2 and cos inverse x by a. Understood? How? X is equal to a cos 2 theta, then a divide this side, x by a is equal to cos 2 theta. Cos transfer this side means cos inverse x by a is equal to 2 theta. We required only theta, therefore total numbers divided by 2 means 1 by 2 cos inverse x by a is equal to theta. This theta going to put here 1 upon 2 cos inverse x by a. Now differentiating both the side of given function with respect to x means 1 by 2 constant, leaving constant, and d by dx of cos inverse x by a is equal to 1 by 2 differentiation of cos inverse x by a, clear, as a outer inner function as chain rule. Then here minus 1 upon under root 1 minus x square means x square by a square, again differentiation of x by a. Then here minus 1 by 2 into 1 upon under root a square minus x square upon a square into differentiation of x by a is what? 1 by constant, x is 1, only 1 by a. Means this a come upside 1 by 2 into a upon under root a square minus x square into 1 by a cancel is equal to minus 1 upon 2 into under root a square minus x square. Now this is the answer of given question. Okay, don't confuse very difficult question. How you can do very simple questions only. Depend on the formula and calculation. Cos inverse 4x minus 3x. You say very carefully x is equal to rate cos theta. You put here this is formula 4 cos cube theta minus 3 cos theta. Now cos inverse cos 3 theta means 3 theta. Now 3, what is value of theta? Theta means cos inverse x. In this question same also here x is equal to a cos 2 theta. Now put the value. After that here apply the formula, it will cancel at last. Theta will come here. This theta we have to change into x form cos inverse x by a. Then 1 by 2 divided x cos inverse x by a. After that this is the answer. Now going to give last example. If y is equal to sin inverse x upon under root 1 minus x square, then prove that under 1 minus x square dx minus xy is equal to 1. In this question we have to prove, because it is not compulsory on all the questions we have to evaluate only, sometime it is group that, so that find the different value here. According to question we have to apply the formula here. Then now here y into under root 1 minus x square is equal to sin inverse x. Either we can apply uy also, we can suppose sin inverse x is equal to theta, so here under root 1 minus x square we can suppose x is equal to sin theta cos theta. Depend means if you know so many rules, so many formula, then automatically you can apply very simple formula according to question. Then y into under root 1 minus x square is equal to sin inverse x. Now going to use here product rule. Product rule means UV form. UV means leaving u y dy dx of under root 1 minus x square plus leaving second function d by dx of first function is equal to d by dx of sin inverse x. Clear? Now here y into differentiation of under root 1 minus x square. I have told under root fx means 1 upon 2 into under root x square into again differentiation of 1 minus x square plus here under root 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to here 1 upon under root 1 minus x square. After that 1 differentiation of 1 means 0, minus x square means minus 2x. Then here minus 2xy upon 2 into under root 1 minus x square plus under root 1 minus x square dy by dx is equal to 1 by under root 1 minus x square. Now here multiply both the side in each and every terms by under root 1 minus x square. This will cancel. This will cancel means 2 to cancel here minus xy plus when under root 1 minus x square multiply by same numbers, then 1 minus x square dy by dx will come is equal to this side multiply this numbers cancel by under root 1 minus x square means 1 will come. After that 1 minus x square dy by dx minus xy is equal to 1. Now hence proof 1 minus x square dy dx minus xy is equal to 1. This much value we have to prove only. By this rule we can prove. Clear? Now going to give some question, homework question. Please try to do. Then here homework question. First y is equal to tan inverse sine under root x, y is equal to sine inverse x whole cube, y is equal to 1 upon ab tan inverse b by a into tan x, y is equal to tan inverse under root x minus root a upon 1 plus under root x into a. Clear? It means we can apply tan a minus b formula. Y is equal to tan inverse x upon under root a square minus x square, y is equal to cot inverse under root 1 plus x square minus x under root 1 plus x square means in the place of x we can suppose yes tan theta or cot theta. Y is equal to sin inverse under root 1 plus x square upon 2 here. Let x square is equal to cos theta or cos 2 theta. Y is equal to tan inverse 3x minus x cube upon 1 minus 3x square. Let x is equal to tan theta here. Y is equal to sin inverse 1 minus x square by 1 plus x square here. X is equal to what? Tan theta. Last one y is equal to tan inverse under root 1 plus xy 1 minus x. Here x is equal to cos theta or cos 2 theta. All the homeworks you will complete. Then please, so many times I am telling, first half I will do example questions or how many questions I have to solve with me. You will complete. After that, how many questions I have given homework question you will complete. By this way, by this methods, you can do maximum question. And this is homework question. Okay. In this video, I will tell next exercise. Thank you very much.